Are you overwhelmed by endless DMs and comments?
You're not alone!
Managing your Instagram can feel like a full-time job. But what if we told you there's an easy solution? With Manychat, you can turn your Instagram into an automated selling machine. Imagine every comment turns into a conversation that sells. Answer every question instantly, whether it's about pricing or shipping. Capture leads directly from DMs. Follower counts are great, but real leads pay the bills. Boost engagement effortlessly. More conversations mean higher reach on Instagram. The algorithm loves it when you engage.
Plus, you get your time back.
Automate the hustle so you can focus on growing your business, or even take that well-deserved nap. Manychat transforms your Instagram experience completely. No more repetitive replies or inbox chaos. With Manychat, every DM and comment becomes a selling opportunity, even when you're offline. Ready to transform your Instagram? It's easy to set up with no coding required. Most users are up and running in minutes. Start your free trial today. No credit card needed. Don't miss out. Join Manychat now and watch your Instagram take off.